Hey guys, in this video I am going to unbox and review Preethi Topaz stainless steel 3-burner gas stove. We are using this stove from past 4 months, so I will tell you the pros and cons of this gas stove and also tell you where you should buy and which one is better when comparing stainless steel versus glass stoves. Let's start the unboxing. On the front side we have Preethi logo on the steel and Preethi Topaz sticker with ISI mark. This gas stove has 3 different size burners. On the left we have super big burner. On the middle we have small burner. And on the right we have big burner. This big and small burners you will find it in 2-burner gas stoves, and the super big burner is the extra one when compared to 2-burner stoves. On the front we have 3 control knobs which are made up of plastic and added some stainless steel for design. Burners are made with brass and these pan support stands are made of iron and painted black color, and the quality is terrible. The paint starts peeling off from the first use, and this is the condition after using it for 4 months. These are burner holders which are made of aluminium and fixed with stainless steel screws. And this is the area, if you spill anything, it will stuck around the screw and it is hard to clean. On the back we have 360-degree nozzle for gas connection, so we can conveniently connect the rubber tube from any direction. On the right side we have lighter holder, which is very convenient. Instead of putting the lighter below the stove or anywhere else, we can use this feature. And these control knobs has radium sticker on it, like radium bands and wall stickers which glows in dark. For this feature to work properly, you should have light source opposite to the stove. It glows in the dark for about 3 minutes. It is not that noticeable in day-to-day usage. This is how it looks on the bottom. On the bottom corners we have 4 rubber legs which are 4 cm in height. The metal is not finished properly at the end, so you have to be careful while handling or cleaning at the bottom. All the burners has same size spill trays and pan support stands. The only difference is this black rings. These cover the gap in between burner and spill trays. And these are the features which are printed in the box and manuals. I personally don't agree with the first one because I didn't find any difference. The only reason you should consider a glass stove is for its looks. You have so many options in glass stoves with different designs and different colors. But when it comes to stainless steel stoves, they look boring and outdated and not so many options available. You can see in this store, there is so many options in glass stoves but only one option for stainless steel stove, that too a 2-burner model. So even brands and stores want you to choose a glass stove. But if you end up buying a glass stove, you have to be careful while using it. And there are so many things that you should not do on a glass stove. You can see here they have also mentioned that the cooktop glass is toughened but breakable. Therefore it should be handled carefully and it may break because of exposure to sudden temperatures. So if you spill anything, you should only clean after it is completely cooled. You all may know this experiment that sudden change of temperature will break the glass. Of course, your stove glass will not break this quick, but doing it multiple times will eventually lead to breakage. You should not put any hot pans or utensils on the glass. In most of the Indian homes, we don't have ovens for baking, but no problem. We have plenty of videos in YouTube which shows we can make almost every baking recipe with gas stove and cooker. But if you are using a glass stove, it is not an option for you because preheating and baking takes long time. This will produce enormous heat which is not good for the glass. If you choose looks over durability, you are doing a favor to the brands because we have used our past stainless steel stove for 15 years. If everybody starts purchasing stoves after 10 years, how can these brands will survive? You can check this yourself by visiting e-commerce sites and searching for glass stoves with more sales, and check the customer posted images. You will definitely find at least one review about broken glass. If you want to purchase a glass stove with separate warranty on glass, make sure to read the terms and conditions because you have to follow certain things, if not warranty will be voided. I will tell you an example. This Glen stove has 5 years warranty, but it is only valid if the customer registers the product within 90 days from the purchase, and it should be serviced at least once a year in authorized service center. If not, the warranty will be voided. I purchased it from Kitchen Mart for 4,300 rupees and I absolutely regret my decision. I have searched on Google and I found this site with least price and I have ordered it blindly. They sent me this display unit with full of scratches. And I got this oversized ring for big burner. And problem with big burner, which is getting off when it is switched to SIM. And DP written at the bottom. I think it means display unit. Even people bought from Amazon or Flipkart are facing the same type of issues because the sellers are same, but at least you have return option. The best place is to buy it offline. You will get much better deals, and the best part is you can check it before buying.